Hello everyone. Today we'll be setting our micro frontend with React. So let's quickly go to the terminal. I'll be using Node 18 for this. I think it will support more than 16 version. Better to use Node 18. Okay, so we will clear, and initially we will create a folder, micro front end React. Okay, let's go to the directory. So we will be making two apps. Okay, so the base app and the container app. So what we'll be doing is we will make some component in the container app and run it in the base app. Yeah, so let's create a byte app. Let's keep it container React. We will use React. We can use anything. We can use TypeScript. So cd container React. Then we will install our packages. Likewise, we will create another app too and create bit. Npm use 18. We will make it base app, React, TypeScript, cd base app, and we will install our packages. So it is installed, and let's go to the let's open it in PS Code. Anything we need to do to configure micro frontend will be on the byte config.ts. We will write some configuration and our app is ready to go. So our both app are installed, and so let's start our app and run dev, and our app is on the localhost here. So our app is configured and is started. We will make some component here. Okay, so component, let's give it a name, anything, top bar dot jsx. Okay, const, let's write some code for top bar. Div h1, your company name. Then we can type here anything, locked in user, sorry, let's write his name, John Doe, and we will export this app. So here I will be just teaching the micro frontend part. I won't be focusing on the basics, so this much, and we'll write some styling here. And let's import this top bar to the app.tsx. Let's remove this code, and let's remove everything else. Remove this also, remove this also, and we will write top bar. What did I miss here? could not find a declaration for models. Eh? Oh, sorry. It is my TypeScript file, so it is giving some issue. Hope it will be resolved now. Okay. So our app is good to go. We can see our here, and we can go to the main index.csx and remove every code here. So our top bar is done, and we could write some content here too in after the top bar. So I'll open a div, I will open a top bar, and I will write some this is container app. Okay, so everything is done. Now to set up micro-frontend, we need to work with the config.ts. So we will download one package for this. It's called byte plugin federation, and add origin js slash bit plugin federation. Let's install this package. Okay. Now we are setting our container app. So to set up the container app, we need to write something. I already told that. Let's start with this. And okay, so let's go to the inside the plugin and write federation. It will be imported from our just installed package. Okay, so we need to give our app name. It is our container app, so we will write it container. Then exposes, and then we need to write sed. I will tell you about this. React I might miss comma here. Okay, so what is exposes? So inside exposes we write a component that we are going to expose for micro frontend. Okay, so this component, the component inside the exposes can be used in another app as a micro frontend. So here we are going to use top bar. Okay, and where it is inside source, inside component, and top bar dot write we need to write the I think it's better to write the extension to. Then sed is the dependency that can be shared with between two apps, like React and React DOM can be shared between two apps. They are the dependencies. So this much you are pretty good to start your micro frontend container app. So let's quickly do this, and I will and run build. Let's build this. It's necessary to build the changes to be reflected, so I'm getting some issue here. So we need to write some build config too. Okay, so here build module preload false target es next minify false css code split so false. Okay, okay, so our app is built, and let's go to the base app and open it into the VS Code. Okay, so let's go to the, yes, I trust the third, of course I do. Now here again we need to install the federation pack, federation also. I mean the byte plugin federation we need to install here to add origin js slash bit plugin federation. Okay, now same like above, previous, we need to write federation. Okay, then name, let's give this app base. And previously we wrote, we need to write file name here too, that will be our remote entry. Just it will be JS default, it is a default file name. And shared component react dom. And here comes the part, like in previous app we use the exposes, right? So here we'll be using the remotes. So remote is a remote means the app, it's a container app. Okay, so this is a container app which we will be using here. Okay, so exposes is the component you are going to expose to use in another app, and remote is the app that you will use here. Okay, so our app was what is the name, it was container. Let's give it the container. And okay, we need to npm run preview, yes, and we need to use this URL. We need to use this URL, and the file name is inside the remote entry.js. okay, and again write the same build code. We can just copy it from here, copy and paste here. Okay, so now it is good to use. Then we can go to the app.tsx. Let's remove this code. Now let's remove index.css too, and we can just import our micro-frontend here. Import top bar from, what is the name, container slash top bar, and we can just top bar, and we can say this is base app. Okay, so here I need to give one parent element. Then let's go here and yarn run dev. Okay, so this is base app, company name Zondo, and I will run the container app too. I will not run it yet, so and run dev. So this is container app, this is base app. Okay, this is how we can set up our micro frontend. If you have any confusion, just leave the comment and we can discuss. Thank you.